This is Joe Lesh from Booth Camp and VoiceOver Extra. Today's topic, Mojo Audition Tips. The more auditions you do, the more confident you'll become. Preparation beforehand can lead to a successful audition. Here are some tips to help you on your road to success. Work on your cold reads, character study, stop reading and start conversing. Collect a variety of scripts to practice with. Buyers will know within the first few seconds if you'll make their shortlist. Make those first few seconds strong enough to catch their ear. Follow instructions carefully. Don't jump into reading until you fully understand the script. Give them what they ask for. Interpret your script to find the heart of the message. Look for power words, clues to character, shifts in mood changes. Ask yourself 4 important questions: who, what, who, and why. Who am I? What am I trying to say? Who am I saying it to? And why am I saying it now? Research online to find places, product, and names of people. It's worth the additional time to find correct pronunciations. When auditioning for a piece that comes in at a specific time, deliver that in your audition. If you're off by a second or two, that's okay. But if you're way over, they have no idea if you can do it quicker or not. Show what else you can bring to the table. In your second take, give them a different delivery. Can you work humor into your script? Is there another direction that might work? Make sure you are hydrated before your audition. Your recording equipment and your space should be up to specs. There is no cheap workaround for professionalism. If a slate is required, be sure to slate in character. When in a live audition, always be polite, professional, and mindful of the time. Don't get attached. You may not be cast for the job you auditioned for, but if you were memorable, you might be invited to audition or even cast directly for the next job. Do your best, send it off, and then let it go. This is Joe Lesh from Booth Camp Online. There's a subscribe button on my YouTube channel. It should be right about there. Be sure to click it. And join me for Mojo Friday, the first and third Friday of each month here at VoiceOver Extra for voiceover tips from Booth Camp. It's time to get your mojo working.